a long box. Makes interesting noises. Of course, you already know what's in it. It's a Galileo Thermometer. I want one of these things forever. Of course, someone in the greater capital of the island of Long will think that since he has one that I need to copy him, but whatever. So when I bought this thing, I wanted the biggest one they made, the tallest one. And that's what I got. I thought about having a hanger and stuff like that, but I think I'm going to build some little brackets for it, and I think I'm going to put it along the one side of the windowsill over here. So if you don't know what a Galileo thermometer is, it's a specialized little vessel that's filled with ethanol. It has these blown glass little balls in their side that are calibrated with the weight and the density of the liquid, and it makes the balls float. So this is one of them things where you definitely want to have it somewhere secure, so it has no chance on getting damaged, because if it breaks, ethanol is very toxic. And here it is. So something like this will probably take about 12 hours to stabilize, because it's been in shipping. So wherever it's been stored in and shipping and bounced around, so it's probably cooler or warmer than ambient temperature. So the way these guys work is it's like, what's the temperature in here now? About 74 in here, so it's the highest of the lowest of the sinking balls, I guess it is. Because some of them are the highest of the balls, and some of them are the lowest of the balls, because the ones on the bottom, they are 60, 64, and 68. So the next one up is 72, and he's sinking. So then the next one is 76 degrees and stuff like that. So pretty cool little bugger. So there's no instructions or anything like this, and so it's just one of them things where you have to Google it to figure out how it works. So we're in between 72 and 76. So it's, you know, like I said, it's 73 degrees in here, 74, something like that. So it's somewhere in the middle. So I'll have to get some nice oak wood from the Big Blue store like that, and I'll make like a little shelf for this thing to sit, and then I'll figure out the diameter of this thing, and then I'll have another little bracket where this thing will slip up into, so it has no chance on tipping over or falling over or anything like that. So nice little niche little showpiece here and stuff like that. So something like this, you definitely don't want to have it outside, because probably the UV would fade out the colors in a short amount of order. Because I had some really cool pens that looked like a syringe, and they actually looked like a syringe where, you know, you had the plunger on the top, and the point of it kind of looked like this, and the center of the vessel was all filled with some kind of fluid that was colored. So, and then it had a chamber inside just for the ink cartridge and stuff like that. It was a ballpoint pen, and you click the top plunger to get the pen to stick out. But they came in all kinds of colors: red, yellow, green, blue, purple, and in a short amount of time, just being out here in the room, they faded out, and they dried out and stuff like that. They had I think they dried out. Not only did they dry out, they also faded out, because they had it had a rubber gasket in there that was just an O-ring, so a lot of it evaporated and stuff like that. So whatever's in these things, I don't know what's in them. Probably have to Google search of what's in these things, in the science to make them float and stuff like that, or sink like that. So just a little showpiece and a little show and tell video. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video. And you can also follow me on Rumble. See you later.